mamatay.
Ano ba?
Maraming mamatay sa kanila.
Oh, happy birthday to you.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Wala pa maayos eh. Kasi baka wala ni Ram.
Again.
You don't blow it. When we say you blow it, then you blow it, okay? You have to finish what you're saying.
Hindi ko kaya gawin pang toothpick yung post mo naman.
Malaki. Giant. Let us finish the song first. No one's blowing the candle until we finish the song.
Okay.
Happy